You did number 11 correctly up until this point, except when you have a look here, this minus 2, when you take the brackets away, this applies to the sign, okay, not to the x like you have over here. You have x squared, that wouldn't be right. You would have to put sine squared x. Just remember that when the power is outside the bracket and you move it in, it applies to the sign or the cos or whatever is inside and not to the x. Then your final answer, you can actually take out cos of x. It's a common term, so you'll end up with cos x. In front you'll just be left with a 1 plus 1 over sine squared x. And that's the right answer. So you just had to take it one step further. Let's look at number 12. A small little mistake that you've made in the second step here is when you find the derivative of the inside of the bracket, the cos of x, and you got sine of x here, it's supposed to be minus the sine of x. A minus and a minus gives you a plus, so we can get rid of that little minus there and just make this a plus. Now we can simplify. I would take out common term here, which is sine of x. Let's take it out and see what we get. Sine of x. You're left with minus 1 in front, plus 5 cos 4x. And that would probably be good enough. I would swap it around just to be extra technical. 5 cos 4x minus 1. That's the answer I get. Looks a little bit different to hers, but I think this is correct.